Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to install Magento 2 on your local machine. In our case it's macOS system. You must have installed Docker and Docker Compose on your machine. I'll skip these steps and only show you versions which I have installed on my machine. It's for Docker and for Docker Compose. We will use my own setup of Docker containers, which I have tested on many real-life projects. Setup consists of Apache as a web server, PHP 7.3, which can be easily switched in configuration, Opcache, MariaDB as a database system, Xdebug, and Elasticsearch. And this is our starting point, so just copy. Switch to terminal, switch to working directory, and paste. Change to our project name, let it be Magento sample, and hit enter. Run bin init. It'll ask you two questions. First, its project name. This is required for property configure Docker containers names. In our case, let it be Magento sample. And a link to repository with Magento 2. We don't have it, so just skip. Then go to an src directory. There we have index.php just for testing purposes. Just remove it. And let's create our brand new Magento project with the composer create project. Provide a link to repository URL, so composer will know where to find package. In our case, we will install Magento Project Community Edition. So Magento Project and in our case it would be version 2.3.4. And the last argument will be directory. So this is this directory. Now the composer creates for us project, so we can go out from src directory. Let's run containers with docker compose upd command. At this point, it's important to understand that if you have some local web server which already takes port 80, command will fail. So you need first stop your local web server. In our case, everything is fine, so we can copy our project files from host machine to container by running bin copy to container all. Out of the box, Docker will automatically share our files from appcode, appdesign, and appetc directories. Why we share only specific directories? You can read about this in the article which I'll attach for you in the video description. When files are copied, our next step is to run bin permission. This will make sure that user ID in our host machine equals user ID in the containers. After all of that, we're finally ready to go to the browser and install Magento. First check if everything is fine. Yes, next. Database server host, in our case it be project name and DB, like this, Magento, sample DB. Username will be Magento, password also Magento, database name Magento, and let's try to connect. Seems everything is fine. Admin will be just admin. Next. Again, next. Username will be admin. Some email. Some password. And repeat it. And next. Install now. Quite a long process, so let's speed up it. So seems everything is fine. Let's check our front end. Works, and let's try to log into the admin panel. And also works. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comments. Bye.